మాకులో చేసేమనొచ్చు కదా వచ్చి. స్వామిని తీసుకురావడానికి ప్లాన్ చేస్తారండి.
ఏకాదశి రోజున సరైన టైం సెట్ చేశారు.
మొబైల్ తీయనా?
పవన్ గారు వచ్చింది.
Today on December 1st in Vizag, Kailasgiri, the India's largest cantilever glass bridge with 55-meter length has been inaugurated by Honorable MP of the region, Sri Bharat Garu, and Honorable MLA, Sri Velagapudi Ramakrishna Garu. This is a unique attraction for Visakhapatnam. Any person, any tourist who comes to Vizag, definitely they will come to visit Kailasgiri. So this is a special experience if people use this. This has the length of 55 meters and it is about 100 feet above the main sea level, and about 40 to 60 members can comfortably walk on this bridge at a time, and they can spend around 7 minutes. So this is opened for tourists from today onwards. So the tourists can make utilize of this bridge. Not only about this feature, we are planning for holistic development for Kailasgiri, and we are also planning a lot of other tourism development projects. Tourism is one of the important sector under VER report, Vizag Economic Region report, launched by Honorable Chief Minister. So we will do so many other projects also in VMRDA in the coming days to boost the tourism in this area. Thank you.
నేను చూడలేదు.
ఉండు